Ever walk into a honky-tonk barroom? There's a girl whose heart's in pieces, down on her luck. It's the same familiar story about a cowboy, a string of broken promises once again.
She speaks of happy days they were together. Was it wrong to think her love would last forever?
It's a shame when lonely people suffer heartaches. I can hear familiar voices in my ear. She's a good cowgirl, it's always the same. There is some cowboy always to blame. She's a good cowgirl living in pain, thinking some cowboy will do it again. We could only live our lives inside each other's shoes, we wouldn't have to sing these cowgirl blues. She's a good cowgirl, it's always the same. There is some cowboy always to blame. She's a good cowgirl living in pain. Let's hope some